Good morning, everybody. We slept kind of late. It's like 1 o'clock now, but there's nothing like waking up to some good leftover catering food. What you think about that?
Set food. It's good stuff. Set
food. There we go. Good stuff. It was actually really good stuff. Better than peanut butter and jelly, I can tell you that.
That's the truth.
We are loading up the last little bit of stuff to shoot the Jack Daniel's commercial. As you can see, I just got some props, knives, and like a mixer and stuff like that. Try to make it look like real messy, like the guys making a recipe and stuff. So see how it goes. But we're almost ready to lock and load and be on our way for this one. Alright, so we just left the gas station. Got some ice for the cooler and stuff, and here's what it looks like. Got a Red Bull here.
Always.
Red Bull there. Got a Red Bull here. And a Monster here. Some other type of energy drink there. That's what we're gonna call it anyway. Tired, but we're gonna hammer it out, get it done. Hopefully this will be a pretty quick and short shoot. Hopefully I can light it just really with bounce cards. We'll see. The sun's kind of in and out, so see how it goes when we actually get at the location. So we have just arrived at the location for the Jack Daniel's commercial shoot. We are setting up for the next shot. We have the reflector, the most set up. We're gonna have a shot from here, shooting down this way, and then we got the dolly over there for our opening shot. We got audio being set up. Pretty small crew today, but everything's really gonna go as planned, we hope. Alright, go back to one, we're gonna keep rolling. So what we're about to do now is the second setup of the day. We're just waiting for the fog machine to warm up, so we're gonna have a little bit of haze in here. Camera speeds.
And action.
Okay, one more time. Sorry, back to one. Oh, when you hold it out, Brooke, kind of hold it a little away from the window, just
away
to
from the window?
Glare there.
So.
Just like that would be perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Have you seen that spray stuff that like stopped it? I was like.
And action.
Changing lenses, a little wider shot. Alright, let's do it.
Definitely would use that as vacuum break taking service.
Yes.
Hold on, just missing one thing.
Alright, so we are shooting the second setup, which is just a sunset at the grill. You can see we're gonna cook the steaks on the green egg. We got a little bit of time before the sun goes down. Changing the lens right now. We're gonna get just some shots of the characters as they're around the grill without actually cooking anything. Hey, Bubby. Hey. Oh. Oh. You want to sniff the camera?
Cooking steaks. Life of a filmmaker, man. We got like 8 gigantic ribeyes on the grill over there. Jack Daniel's marinade. And we ain't playing around, man.
And we're cooking with the green egg, so
yes.
You know it's always good. Here's the real grill master right here, so you know everything's gonna taste good.
The guru. And then Matt's the grill master.
Here's the character chef.
He's not a grill master, but he plays one on TV.
Yeah.
It's not even a thing. What do you know about infinity?
It's like forever.
No, nothing is forever because nothing ever was.
Alright guys, that is a wrap on the Jack Daniel's marinade commercial shoot. We are officially done. We're just gonna go eat these steaks, fill our tummies up with some good food, and call it a day. But we'll probably go back. What do you think? We'll go back and watch some of the footage. Go back.
Get it done.
Pretty good meal.
Yeah.
2 good meals in a day from set food. Focus, camera, focus. Oh wow. what's going on.
House on fire.
Only you can prevent forest fires.
Oh.
So what happens after 2 pretty long, well, actually, I wouldn't say 2 long days of shooting because today was pretty quick and easy, but we're still tired from yesterday, and I can still feel the dirt and the smoke grenade with smoke and dust or whatever particles in my pores and skin. We're going to look at the dailies, make sure we got everything, and then I am probably going to head back over to my girlfriend's house just to spend a little more time with her.
I want to go to the gym tomorrow. I ain't gonna be able to. So Randall's leaving. Stop! You better stop. Quit. Yeah, it's cold.
Alright peeps, just got at my girlfriend's house. I'm about to go in here and just spend some time with her, as I keep saying. Pretty tired, but I'm gonna go in.
No.
Hey baby.
Hey.
I'm tired. Tell people what I need them to do.
Like and subscribe.
That's right. Keep it cool, peace. Action.